read about 3 times in the record, and the record will show it.
Okay. That's a point of disagreement.
Okay. My question, Mr. Gates, has to do with what your goals were, what your stated goals were. Now you say here, I have 2 key goals in investing in the Apple relationship, one of which was to get Apple to embrace Internet Explorer technology and so on. Did that continue to be a goal that you had after 1996?
It wasn't a goal in investing in the Apple relationship in the sense I meant it here. It was a goal for our overall dealing with Apple.
Okay.
One of many.
Okay. Was it a key goal?
I'm not sure what you mean by key goal. It was a goal.
What I mean by key goal is what you meant by key goal in your June 23, 1996 email, Mr. Gates.
That's about investing in the Apple relationship, which meant spending time with Gil Amelio. So I don't know why you can take the word out of there and apply it to a completely different context.
Well, sir, when you say a completely different context, let's be clear about what we're talking about. The completely different context that you're talking about is the difference between investing in the Apple relationship and doing a deal with Apple? Is that what you're saying?
No, we have goals for our general dealing with Apple, which came to a deal. We actually reached a deal either in late July 97 or early August. But there's a separate thing